Let's make a fresh and healthy high-protein salad with crunchy cucumbers and sweet corn. The salad comes together really quickly. The main prep is making 4 hard-boiled eggs and peeling them and sauteing corn, either frozen corn or canned corn, on high heat until it releases moisture. And it's also great to add spices to the corn. Here I have paprika, coriander, and cumin. While corn is sauteing, cut cucumbers into small cubes. You might need to deglaze the pan with a little bit of water. Take 4 hard-boiled eggs, remove the egg yolks, cut the egg whites into small cubes, and then crumble the egg yolks to the same size. It's good to sprinkle some lemon juice on top. Take some white cheese like feta cheese and cut it into small cubes, and finally chop some fresh parsley and dill. For the dressing, use just sour cream and freshly cracked black pepper. If you want the salad to be even creamier, you can add some extra virgin olive oil on top. Also, don't forget to add salt to taste. Add corn, make sure it is not hot, and mix everything together. So this is a freshly low-carb, high-protein salad that is crunchy and really delicious. Enjoy!